Thank you.
No worries.
Oh, no. It's okay, thank you.
There's a fire below us.
Such an amazing turnaround tonight. Before we actually start with the presentation, quick intro from myself. My name is Ali Qureshi. I am the marketing manager at Honor UK. Before I actually go into the main event, a couple of words from the country lead manager, Zangbin Bond. He just wants to say hello to you guys as well. So Bond, the floor is yours.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Honor ADLX launch event. It's my pleasure to hold you guys here today. Honor got a really good achievement in past 1 year. Here I would like to say thank you very much. Thank you for all the distributors, for all the channels and all the media and journalist friends. Okay, thank you. And right now I need to give back the phone to Ali. Thank you.
In terms of weekly output, and that is through the support of our channel partners and network partners. So that's the Honor ATX. Presentation's over. No, so here's a fancy animation for you guys. Boom, that's the Honor ATX right there, guys. And as you can see, this particular device has a 91% screen to body ratio. So within the industry, it's one of the first of its kind.
Run away so fast, run away, you can't even look back. So fast, run away, you can't even turn back. You carved around me into stars. There's a fire below us. There's a fire below you. But there's a star.
Now the next one is about the AI camera. For the actual device itself, on the back, there's a dual lens AI camera, one of which is the 20 megapixel primary and the secondary is 2 megapixels. At the front of the device, you also have an AI camera, which is 16 megapixels.
Run away so fast, run away, you can't even turn back. Carved around me.
storage. But that's just not all. When we did our pre-brief a couple of weeks ago, I did tease some of the media guys for one more thing. Right now both my hands are busy, but it's on my wrist right now. There you go. And that one more thing is the Honor Band 4. The Band 4 is one of our smartwatch devices specifically towards the fitness vertical. It's got a 0.95 inch large display, which is 2.5D and scratch resistant.
Run away so fast, run away, you can't even look back. You carved your name in my arms. Run away so fast, run away, you can't even turn back. You carved your own name into stars.
Su questo telefono è che è molto economico ed è potente. Abbiamo una fotocamera di 20 megapixel con la frontale da 16 e la cosa che mi ha stupito di più è il noise reducing.
It's really nice.
È stato presentato anche il nuovo Watch Honor. Proviamo a scattare una foto. Colori nitidi, anche in condizioni di massima luce o di pessima luce. Come ho visto prima, ho fatto una foto nell'oscurità. Beh, non c'è che dire, è un prezzo molto accessibile a tutti, un device valido. Abbiamo l'eye camera, come potete vedere. Mi è piaciuto il fatto di aver avuto anche il watch. Speriamo di poterlo provare più in dettaglio e farvi una recensione completa. Per il momento è tutto. Daniela per MobileBlogger.it.